Hi, today we are going to draw this 2D exercise. So first of all, we will draw this circle of 55, 64 and 82 diameter. For that we will type a C enter, select the center point and D enter for diameter and give 55 dimension. And to repeat command just press enter and select the center point, D enter and the next dia 64 enter. Again enter, select center point, D enter and the diameter 22. It's done. Now in drawing, the next process is to draw these teeth. So this is at 6 mm distance and the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 numbers. So for that we will draw a line. So L enter, click on the center point and click vertical on this quadrant of the circle. Click here. Now we will make offset of this line. So O enter, 3 enter and 3 mm both sides. So click on the line and click right side and click left side. Then now we will trim. So TR, enter and click on the unwanted lines. So click here and click here. This we don't want to need in this drawing, so trim this line, trim this extra line and trim the circle from here. Now we will escape and select the line and delete it. Now we have to make it array to 12 numbers. So AR enter, select this geometry, click on the polar and click on the center point, click I to item and this is 12, enter. Here the 12 number of teeth are formed, and the next process is to trim the unwanted drawing. So TR double enter and just click on the lines what we don't need to keep in this drawing. Click here, click here, and the last one click here to trim it, escape it. The next process we will see in the drawing. We have to draw some these holes of 12 dia at 35 and 82 distance. So C enter, we will draw this hole at the center point in the circle of 4, D enter and 12 enter, and now we will move it. So M enter, select the circle and click anywhere and towards downside it is 35 and click again M enter and this side left side we will move this, and the next one is 12 mm radius. So C enter, select the center and the radius of 12 mm. C enter, center point and just type the 12, enter. Now we will make this both circle mirror to right side. So MI enter, select and enter, click on the quadrant of the circle, click vertical line. Here it is done. Now we will join by using a line. So L enter, click this and click here to join this. Click to join, escape it. Now we will repeat the command L. So L enter and click here and we will draw a line of without dimension. We can draw up to here, as we can see this line. And the next one is we have to draw these circles at 77, as we can see here the 77 mm distance at 30 degree. So draw a line, L enter, select the center point, click here and close the ortho mode. You can type the effect, and we have to give the dimension of 77 length and tab, and the angle is 30. So this is calculating from the right x-axis, so it will be the 90 plus 30, 120 degree. Here it is done. And the circle of 6 dia at the top of this line, so C enter, click on the end point and dimension of D enter and 6 enter. It is 12 mm. And the distance, that is 20 mm, and the radius 13. So we will move, copy this CU, click here and just trace this line and give the dimension of 20 mm. Here another circle of the same center is 13 mm. Now we will extend this line. We can also extend by clicking here and just click on the center of the circle. You have to snap the circle and just click here, and we have to offset this line, so O enter, and this is 13 mm both sides, so click here, click right side, now we will delete this center line, and we have to make this circle of 53 diameter, and the radius here is 22. So C enter, and with the same center line, center point, we can draw a 53 radius. Here it is going inside, so we have to check the dimension if there is any wrong entry. So click on this center point, and with this radius, this center, we just measure it, just check it. This is showing 70 mm, so we need it 82. So we have to we can draw another, or we can also move this up to 6 mm. So 82 divided by 2 is equal to 41, and currently it is 35, so we have to move it 6 mm towards left. So we will select this lines what we need to move and click here, and towards left side we have to just type the 6 mm distance. Here we can mirror again these both circles, so we have to delete this right side and this dimension. We can mirror this circle towards right side. And we can do it for later. We just click the Ctrl Z to undo, and here we will trim these extra lines to form the radius of 53, and this radius F enter, R enter, and this will be 22. So just click here and here. It's done. Now the trim this extra, trim it, and we have to trim this circle also, so we will just click here and we will delete this extra. So we can see the left side geometry is about ready. Just we have to trim this upper side circle also, so TR double enter and just click here. Now we will make a mirror of this to right side. So mi enter, and with the center click upside. Here we will fillet it. So F enter, R enter, and 22. Just click on both lines, and we will join this line. So just click here and click on the end of this arc. Just snap the end point and click. Here we found it. Just click it and escape it. Now the geometry is ready. We can check here everything we have created on this AutoCAD. So it's completely ready. Thank you.